you have lights attached to it. 2, a camera that's capturing every part of your growth on this. 3, a whole AI system that reads the temperature in the room. Green mustard. We have our red sorrel. Our bull's blood. This turns into like a beet. Bronze arrow. We have our sunflower. Our yellow Swiss chard. We have tarragon that's attempting to sprout. We'll see how that goes. Basil. And that's just a regular basil. We have perpetual spinach. This is green tatsoi. We just got this baby sprouted. This is lavender. Purple kohlrabi. Another perpetual spinach. Butterhead. Our second butterhead is romaine lettuce. Wow, this isn't what it looked like when it was smaller. That's crazy. This is our, what is this? Oh, green salanova. We have our watercress. We have more purple kohlrabi. Look at the beautiful cilantro growing down here. She's thriving, look at that, so green. The red tatsoi. So we had green tatsoi up here. Look, that's the green tatsoi. And here's the red tatsoi. Another sunflower. And this will eventually have the big flower grown out. We have our dill. We have our red mustard. So we had the green mustard up at the top. This is our red mustard. We have our kale. And this is a different kind of kale. This is kale lacinato. And then we have our brine, right? Is this? Yeah. Our brine here. Our Tokyo bacana. This, I was not expecting this to be so delicious, but this Tokyo bacana, I think that might be one of my favorite ones. This is what we have growing so far. And our whole tank has plant food in it. We have to prep the plants. And I think this one will be the next one. It's our purple bok choy. Now guys, we can get you the $100 discount on this Gardyn. Just DM us. Any questions you may have, we will be sure to answer them. Whole setup is so easy. It's a one-man build. It is so easy to put together. Over 100 different seeds. You get fruits, you can get flowers, you can get veggies, you can get greens, more nutrients, no pesticides, no transportation loss. Like this is what? How was it that you put it on TikTok before on that video that you made? Farm to table? Yeah, farm to table. This is farm to table style. You cut, you eat. Like there is nothing better than having it indoor where you're not running into spiders in your beds, caterpillars eating your leaves. I have so many caterpillars and pests eating at my cantaloupe leaves outside, and I'm struggling with that right now. But if I would have had the cantaloupe in here growing, I wouldn't have had to deal with that. So this is the reason why we got this, to test it out. And so far, I say 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for sure. I love it. It's my favorite thus far. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment.